Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be talking about background and how to add images as a background in CSS. So let's go and do that quickly. So the first we're going to be doing here, we're still going to create a new file for this particular one. We're going to create background.html. So we're going to use our shortcuts. So let's name this background. Good. So the next thing we're going to do is to create our div box where the image is going to be. So this is the div. Let's give it a selector. Let's use class. So class, let's name it image box. So image box. In this one, I'm going to be using external CSS for this. I'm going to be using external CSS. I'm going to take this out. So let's link it quickly. So using our link tag. In our link tag, we have the view, style sheet. The next thing is our href for our directory. Good. So let's bring our style. Okay, this is our style. So I'm going to split the screen into two. So this is our style, while this is the one we're working on. I'm going to close these other ones. Good. Close this. So let's type this quickly using this dot image underscore box. So we have our width. Let's use 350 pixel. Height 350 pixel. So let's make this longer time around. So let's just make it the same thing. So let's do background color gray. So like you can see this before adding our image or doing any other thing here. So let's run this to our browser. Good. So this is working. So now let's go and add our background image. So here I have an image available to me. This is an image I'm going to be using. So if you don't have your image, go to Unsplash or Google, get an image you're going to be using, bring it into your project and use it to test out. So the next one I'm going to be doing is background. So because I want to add the image directly from my CSS, so I'm going to be using this syntax, this attribute. This is the URL. So now I'm going to use the quotes. I'm going to find the directory, my image directory. This is my image. This is my image. So I'm going to add this. So you can see the way it looks. It's not showing the way it's supposed to show. So now let's add other properties that comes with this background for our image to show properly. So the first one I'm going to be adding now is, first of all, let's add background repeat, no repeat. So what this background repeat, no repeat does is, if the image size is too small, it doesn't break it, just stretch it out to fit into your box. So the next property we're going to be adding is background size. So we're going to be doing cover. So you can see our image is showing now, background size cover. You can either use cover, contain, or any of those. Display it there. So this is our image looking nice. So these are the properties that we use We used the background property, then the value, we did URL, then found the directory of our image. Then we added our background size. We also added background repeat, no repeat, so that if our image is too small, it's not going to break or show multiple times. So it's just going to stretch it out like this. So this is how to add using your CSS. So let's do another one, adding it directly here using the image tag itself. So I'm going to do this in here. So using the image tag, we're going to do the SRC. I'm going to use the same image. So let's give this the same class name. Good. I'm going to give this another class name because of image box 2. Let's give it image box 2. So let's have this here in the styling section. So we're going to use the same width and height, or maybe bigger. I'm copying this, pasting it here. I'm changing this to maybe 400 pixel, or let's make it smaller. Let's make it smaller to 200 pixel. 200 pixel. Let's check what it looks like. This is background color. Let's make it gray. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to do margin bottom because I don't like the way it's kissing the other one on top. So I'm just going to do margin bottom. Margin bottom, 30 pixel. Good. So the space, there's a space between them now. So the image I want to add there, I want it to be circle. I don't want it to be in this shape. So for me to achieve the circle shape, I'm going to use my border radius. So the border radius is going to be 50%. Good. So for you to make a circle shape, make sure your width and height is the same pixel. Then you add your border radius 50% to achieve this circle shape. So now let's insert our image. So I'm going to do this using the directory. So this is our image. The image we're using is bigger than our circle. So the next thing we're going to do now is style our image. I'm going to use this tag, style by tag name, to do this quickly. So I'm going to make the width 100% and the height 100%. So this width and height is 100% to this particular pixel. So that when you put a percentage to something, so this percentage is percentage to this particular size to just fit in completely. So this is it. So let's add the same border radius that we have here. Good. So we have it here. So our image is looking shrink. So let's do object fit. So object fit, we'll do cover. So you can see it's looking better now. So this is how to add your image directly from your HTML, and this is how to add your image through your CSS. So look at the difference. This, we use background to achieve this URL. While this, we actually created our shape first, then inserted our image tag. Then we added our shape in our div, after which we styled our image tag 100% to its box. Then afterwards, we added object fit to prevent it from shrinking. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in our next.